Hello everyone, let us listen to the top 5 trending news of today. Come on, people, to what lengths can you go to get a free Wi Fi? A couple has named their newborn daughter after an internet service to get free Wi Fi for 18 years. The new daddy spotted an advertisement on Facebook from a Swiss startup company called Wi-Fi, which offered free Wi-Fi for 18 years to anyone who named their child after the company. If one has a daughter, her name would be Twifia, and if one has a son, his name would be Twifus. Simply upload a photo of your child's birth certificate. After verification, Wi-Fi will give you 18 years of free internet, the advert reads. The new parents aged 30 and 35 wish to remain anonymous. They gave their baby girl the second middle name Twifia. They said that they would put the money they would have spent on Wi-Fi in a savings account for their daughter. They hope that she will use the money to buy a car or learn to drive when she is grown up. The longer I thought about it, the more unique the name became for me. And that was when the thing got its charm. The dad was quoted as saying by Lad Bible. Fifia's mom was a bit hesitant initially, but she later agreed. She said, for me, the name Twifia also stands for connection in this context. For an eternal bond, there are much worse names, and the more often we say Twifia, the heartier the name sounds. The parents have put Twifia on the girl's birth certificate. However, they are like don't feel truly comfortable about it. We want to remain anonymous to those around us because we don't want to justify ourselves. Because the accusation of having sold our child's name hits us very hard. We are also a little ashamed of it, they both said. Philippi Forst, Twife founder and CEO, said that they would pay for the couple's internet even if the company goes bust, as it's a matter of honor. The offer is still open for other new parents. Even if you guys are interested, you can also go after the information and you can go and even search for the things. And let us move on to training 2. Anushka Sharma cradles baby bump in new picture taken after RCB win. Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma was spotted at the latest RCB Royal Challengers Bangalore vs RR Rajasthan Royals match. Yuzvendra Chawla's fiancée YouTuber Tanushree Verma shared the cute image of Anushka Sharma cradling her baby bump after RCB won the match. Happy people, sharing some happy moments from my first match. Congratulations to the team RCB, wrote Dhanashree alongside the picture. In the photo, Anushka wore a floral orange dress. It was an off-shoulder dress. The actress left her hair unkempt, wore a tiny necklace, and radiated a happy smile in the photo. The match was the first which Dhanashree attended, it seems. Apart from Anushka and Dhanashree, even actor comedian Dhanush Sait and cricketer Pativ Patel joined the picture. RCB won the match against RR by 7 wickets. The latest picture is the second time when Anushki was spotted cheering for RCB in the month. A photo of her from the stands cheering for husband and RCB team skipper Virat Kohli had been going viral earlier this month also. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma are expecting their first child together in January 2021. Anushka broke the news on her Instagram handle with a photo of her in a black polka dot dress and Virat standing behind her in a white t-shirt. And then we were three arriving Jan 2021. She wrote alongside the picture. Serum Institute Bharat Biotech to begin trial of intranasal COVID vaccine soon, said the Hashvardhan. So the third training would be in New Delhi, Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech are expected to pursue late-stage clinical trials of intranasal COVID-19 vaccines in the upcoming months once they receive regulatory approval, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan said on Sunday. Verdun said the late stage trial generally involves thousands of participants, sometimes even 30,000 to 40,000. On Saturday, India's Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited and the Russian Direct Investment Fund (RDIF) said that they have received renewed approval to conduct late stage clinical trials in India of the Russian COVID 19 vaccine. India's coronavirus infections rose by another 61,871 over the past 24 hours, data released on Sunday's show. Although the health ministry said it is seeing a trend of steadily declining active cases, the ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, said it will revisit its protocol for COVID 19 treatment after the WHO World Health Organization found some of the commonly used drugs, including remdesivir, had little or no impact on a patient's chances of surviving. And the next trending would be Suhana Khan shares her first photo with dead Shah Rukh Khan, and it's a priceless throwback. After her viral night out photo with cousin Alia Cheba, Suhana Khan shared another precious throwback picture with her father Shah Rukh Khan. She has shared two images in honor of SRK's cricket team Kolkata Knight Riders KKR. Suhana was seen in a white jersey with the KKR logo. The second image was of her baby version kissing dad Shah Rukh Khan on the cheek while giving him a warm hug. The photo has been going viral yet again with nearly 90,000 views within half an hour. Sharing the two images, Suhana wrote, "Distress since not 8 at KK Riders." Suhana accompanied Shah Rukh Khan to KKR match in Dubai 2 days back. Her many moods became a favorite among fans. SRK's son Aryan and wife Gauri were always seen on the stands during the KKR vs Mumbai Indians match. In a photo which was unveiled a while back, Suhana went on a night out with her cousin Alia Cheba. The two color coordinated their outfits in grey. Interestingly, grey was the color of the first day of Navratri, which fell on Saturday. Although Alia wore a zebra print dress, Suhana was seen in a grey dress. She wore a tight slit gown. Alia took the picture on her phone. The cover of her phone appears to have a picture of her and Suhana together. Although Alia accessorized herself, Suhana kept it simple in a small necklace. And in next trending to be cherished is Meet Aishwarya Sridhar, first Indian woman to win Wildlife Photographer of the Year award. Making India proud, Aishwarya Sridhar, whose age is 23, has become the first Indian woman to win the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award. Her photo won among 50,000 entries from over 18 countries across the world. Only 100 images were shortlisted, and she won the award for her photograph in the Behavior Invertebrates category. The announcement was made on October 13 at the Natural History Museum in London. It is the 56th year of the prestigious award. Her image, titled Lights of Passion, was captured using one of Canon's premium DSLR's EOS 1DX Mark II and has won the highly commented award at the Wildlife Photographer of the Year 2020. Taking to Twitter to share the news, Aishwarya Sridhar wrote, "A big moment for India and for me as a young wildlife photographer. Being the first and youngest girl to win this award from India in the adult category, it's a huge honor for me to receive this award. Thank you to the entire jury and WPY team." That's what she has been sharing in the Twitter. Aishwarya Sridhar is a wildlife photographer, writer, and filmmaker by profession. She is also a conservationist. In 2019, Sridhar received the Diana Award by the Princess Diana Foundation for her efforts in wetland conservation. She is also the youngest member of the State Wetland Identification Committee appointed by the Bombay High Court. And the next and last one could be, in a repeat of Baba Ka Daba story, Agra's Roti Wali Amma shares plight of no sale. The COVID 19 outbreak has forced many people to go through tough times. And after Baba Ka Daba's viral story, in another example, an aged woman in Uttar Pradesh, Agra, is also reportedly facing financial difficulties. Bhagwan Devi, a woman in her 80s who is popular as the Roti Wali Amma, is selling food at rupees 20 to meet her daily needs, reported ANI news agency. "I have been doing this for over 15 years, but there is hardly any sale these days," Bhagwan Devi told ANI. According to ANI, she is selling food near St. John College to earn a livelihood. The Twitteriates, after the news came up, have started sharing her story and requested everyone to help her get back to normal. The post has garnered over 400 retweets within 2 hours. This is not the first time that news like this has come up in the past few months. Recently, a heartbreaking video of an aged couple in the national capital sharing their plight of struggling to earn amid the ongoing coronavirus crisis had gone viral on social media platforms, following which many Bollywood celebrities, cricketers, netizens flooded support for the Baba Ka Daba. Thereafter, long queues in front of the dhaba were witnessed in the Malviya Nagar area, and the elderly couple also looked visibly happier. The Tinder also suggested couples to consider Baba Ka Dhaba as a probable date place. Hopefully, Roti Wali Amma's 15 years of service gets recognition so that she earns enough to feed herself and her family.